Hello everyone, I'm Santosh, working as a full stack developer for the Cognimate solution. So now we'll be discussing about the additional feature in our SkillMatrix application. It is the external job posting. So here we need to click this post a job, and here we need to register with our company mail ID, and after registering successfully and verifying the account, we will be signing with our account. Here we will be giving our company mail ID and the password, and after that we will be moving to the dashboard. So here the HR will be posting a job for a role. Here he will be giving the job title, the location, and the company name, and the job type, and the experience level, and the department, and the required skills, and the salary range is optional, and he will be giving the job description. And then he will be uploading the job description file. And then he will be continuing, and in this page the HR can check the details that has been given, and he will be posting the job. So now after posting a job, we will be generating a unique link ID. So this link is nothing but a uh, the candidate who will click the particular job post will be able to view the all the details of the job, and also he can apply for the particular job role. I will show you how it will be looking. So here this is how the candidate will be going to the job posting form. So here the candidate will be checking the job title, in the company, in the location, in the type, in the years of experience, and also salary, in the job description, and check the requirements and additional details. And here the candidate can go through the job description file completely, and then he can apply for this job. So here the candidate will be giving his mail, in the mail, and his mobile number, and he will upload his resume, and then we'll submit the application. So this submitted application will be viewed in the HR dashboard. So in our application itself, after successfully posting a job, here itself we can share this post to the many public platforms such as LinkedIn, Indeed, or Naukri, where you can think the candidate will be available. So here we will be clicking the LinkedIn. So here the HR will be giving description for the job, and he will be posting the job. So now after posting the job, the candidates while going through this post, they will be clicking this link, and they will be reading the job related things, and he will be applying for the job. So now in our application, after posting the job, the candidate can go to the HR can go through the saved job posts, and down itself he can click the applications. So here the HR can see how many candidates has been applied for the job role, and he can download their resumes. Here we will be downloading his resumes, and after collecting the candidates resumes, the HR will be moving to our main application, and there he will be uploading the candidates resumes with respect to the job description, and then he will be further proceed with the test for the candidate. So this is how our external job post feature in the SkillMatrix application works. Thank you.